Hi, everybody. Well, we did it again. 71 on Friday, 76 Saturday, 76 Sunday. These are Portland numbers. And today's high, we'll wait and see what the final report says at 7:30, but it may be rounded to 77. So if so, today the warmest of the bunch by 1 degree. And also the a record for the date. Remember, the record today for Portland was fairly low at 71. And the fact that we're 77 today and we cool down just a little bit on Tuesday means that we could still hit 70 tomorrow. Wow. And then certainly the cooler weather with the rain chance is set to happen on Wednesday. So that's the biggest headline, is starting to look ahead to a return to a rainy pattern. And what you're looking at here are potential rain amounts that start Wednesday, which won't be much, but starts Wednesday and then builds with heavier rain Friday, Saturday, into Sunday. So through the end of the week, this shows about an inch and a half from Portland down through Salem, maybe 1.7 up in Kelso Longview, inch and a quarter to an inch and a half up around Seattle, maybe an inch and 3/4 to an inch and 8/10 along the coast, and decent measurable rainfall out across the Blues and all of Oregon. So again, most of these rain totals you're looking at, the inch and a half for Portland, for example, would be rain that falls Friday, Saturday into Sunday. I don't see any big storms. I don't see any crazy moisture amounts, but we are going to be getting back into a lengthy period of cloudy, wet weather more than not, and temperatures that many days will be held into the 50s. And by the way, the NOAA outlooks from the National Weather Service agree. In fact, this is the outlook. This would be this coming Saturday into the mid part of next week, which of course is Oregon spring break. And notice how all of the West into the Midwest and the upper Midwest below normal temperatures, including Oregon and Washington. The outlook for the same period starting this Saturday, almost all of the nation, except for South Texas, expected to see normal to above normal rainfall. Now, with all that said, let me see here. Oh boy. Okay. There it goes. Well, no, that's not what I wanted. This is what I wanted. The 8 to 14 day, outlook, which basically piggy banks on the one that I just showed you, piggybacks, pardon me, and keeps us below normal temperature wise all the way through March 31 and keeps us in that normal to above normal rainfall pattern, much of the country all the way through March 31. So the point here is that it's going to be a fairly lengthy return to a wet pattern once it gets going on Wednesday. So, all right, well, this does show the ob at 6 o'clock, 77, at 6 o'clock, 77 degrees. Wow. 72 in Salem, 73 in Vancouver, 79 in Beaverton. So if it looks like these numbers will hold, and this will become the warmest day by a couple degrees in the entire region. 72 down in Salem, certainly been warmer up in the Portland metro area. Winds have been light, generally north to east across the region. Sure hope you've been enjoying our nice weather. Here are the Northwest regional temperatures. Here they come. 64 up in Seattle. Cooler at the coast today, 52 in Newport, 60 up in Astoria. The coast is going to be cooling down. So tomorrow, partly sunny skies to 57. Now the coast may flat out be cloudy tomorrow. I'm not sure, pardon me. I'm not sure if there's going to be any sun at the coast tomorrow or not. And then the rain gets going on Wednesday, then every day has some rain in it with temperatures in the 50s. So that's the seaside 7-day forecast. Just bounce around real quick. Up in Seattle, 68 on Tuesday. There come the rain chances, temperatures in the 50s. Over in Central Oregon, 73 on this late afternoon on a Monday. 72 tomorrow. Still dry in Central Oregon on Wednesday and Thursday. The first two rain chances for Portland on Wednesday and Thursday are very weak systems, and they don't get over the Cascades. And then you've got, after that, likely rain and maybe even some nights and early mornings this weekend where there's a little bit of snow falling. That's the Bend forecast. And let's run down to Medford. Not as warm, 56 on Tuesday, 57 on Wednesday, mainly dry. Pardon me again, I've got bad allergies. And then we've got shower chances ongoing, temps in the 50s down in Southern Oregon as well. All right, here's what the pattern is showing. This is rain. Now, Wednesday morning, picking up light rain at the coast. I still think it's dry when we start our day on Wednesday, then developing showers during the day. But this is into the evening. Unless this is less than 1/10 of an inch of rain from Portland down through the I-5 corridor, about the same up in Seattle, even generally less than a quarter of an inch of rain Wednesday along the coast. This is going to give you an accumulative rain total. So we go to Thursday. We're still under a quarter of an inch through Thursday afternoon, all total. So again, not much rain Wednesday, Thursday total. This does pick up rain amounts, and going into Thursday evening, we'll top a half of an inch, it looks like, at the coast. Now, watch as Friday, now we get big. Again, little bit of rain Wednesday, a little bit of rain Thursday, may not mess with your plans, and then soaking rains on Friday and then into the weekend. So this is Friday. Now we picked up over a quarter of an inch of rain just during the day on Friday, and the coast of Maine picked up a half of an inch of rain just during the day. And then we go maybe a quarter to a half on Saturday and a quarter to a half of an inch of rain. Let me back it up into Sunday. And then here are those heftier rain totals that we showed you, including over an inch up into the Seattle area and well over an inch of total precip out over the Blue Mountains, and even a little bit heavier down along the Southern Oregon coast, where they could be nearing 3 inches of rain. So that just meant to paint the picture that, yeah, we have some wet weather coming. Here's this afternoon, the 573 in close contour. That's the upper level high right smack dab over Oregon and Washington. Now, notice that was 573. Notice how the ridge weakens and then drops south of us a little bit tomorrow. Tomorrow's sunny. We can still hit 70, but clearly the ridge pattern weakens. And then here's Wednesday during the day, this first trough. You see the little dip in the contours? That's a front coming in during the day Wednesday. Very limited precip, as we saw. Here's Thursday morning. This is what we call a little bit of a buckle high. See the ridging right up in here, and there's the ridge axis. So if this is exactly true, there's a shower chance, the models are saying, on Thursday, but Thursday morning could be dry. And then during the afternoon, we pick up increasing showers. And here's the first big, stronger weather system coming in Friday with the enclosed low. And oh my goodness gracious, what do we have here? Saturday morning, there's the polar jet. So again, the European model likes 2,000-foot snow levels this weekend. The American GFS model likes 3,000-foot snow levels this weekend up in the Cascades. This is the Euro model that I'm looking at. But you get the idea. That's chilly weather. That's unsettled weather throughout the entire weekend. Let me back it up. That's into Sunday morning. Okay, so that's what's coming. Up on the mountain today, 61 Meadows, 58 at Timberline. Snow looking a little dirty up there at the Timberline camera. That happens, right? 56, well, let's see, Government Camp, 61, 62 right now. Wow. 56 tomorrow, and maybe I'm too cool. Maybe it's close to 60 again tomorrow at Government Camp. And then you've got the snow levels above Government Camp. So any showers will be rain at pass level Wednesday. Any showers will be rain at pass level Thursday. Even Friday could be rain with the snow level just at 4,500 feet, and that would be maybe 6 inches of snow at Meadows and Timberline. And then finally, the snow level at 3,000 feet or lower on Saturday. And that's a good bit of snow, 6 to 10 inches, and we'll duplicate that, I think, on Sunday as well. Here's Portland's 7-day forecast. Hazeldale Tire Pros, thank you very much for sponsoring. Sunny skies. I have bumped us back up to 70 tomorrow. We'll see. Showers develop Wednesday, enough clouds and showery activity. I think we hold down into the 50s. Thursday, if we don't really have any moisture until the afternoon, there's a shower chance in the morning. But if we're mainly dry or very little rain until later in the day, we could hit 60. And then we got the cooler weather with low 50s and the rain at times into the weekend that we talked about. So that is your update. If you haven't hit subscribe, please do so. That helps me out. My weather site's portlandweather.com. I'm meteorologist Rod Hill, and I thank you for watching.